Hi, I'm Cindy Gay. Today is Saturday, so it's time for another hook-in. At 4 p.m. every week on Saturday, I do a live hook-in. Pro tip. There's also one on Wednesday hosted by Kim Hurt, and you'll get to it in exactly the same way. But let me show you how to join my hook-in. The first thing that you want to do is to go to my website at cindygayrughooking.com. And do you see that little icon right there? The one that says hook in? All you do is click it. Yeah, that's it. It's not that hard. I worked really hard to make it super simple. Now, the only thing that gets tricky is if you don't have Zoom on your system. You'll have to install Zoom. All you need to do is to click that icon. You'll see this page. Now, it'll automatically continue through and opening Zoom. You might get a little pop-up window that says, is it okay if we open Zoom? And there might even be a box that says, always do this. Click that box and then you won't have to deal with that pop-up each time. But if you're brand new and you've never used Zoom for like a church meeting or any other kind of meeting, or the kids haven't used it for school, then you might have to actually download Zoom meeting. And the easiest place to do that is to go right here. It says don't have the Zoom client installed, download now. The system will know if you're on a phone, if you're on a tablet, if you're on an Apple, or if you're on a PC, and it will download the right thing. Download it, go through your normal procedure to install it, and then close it and never, ever, ever, ever open it again. Because all you're going to do is to simply go back to this website and click that button, right? So install Zoom if you need to, then close it, forget about it, and then every week click the link right here. Next week, when it says Wednesday Hook In with Kim Hurt, you'll see a different icon here, but it's the same procedure, and all you have to do is click the link. If we've had to change the link, it doesn't matter because we'll change it here for you, so you don't have to worry. Now on Friday, there's a very special lesson called Office Hours, and that's a little different in that it is available for members only. Joining the rug hooking journey is pretty simple. Just click on this link, and I put one in the description below to make it a little bit easier. Check out, and you're in. So you'll have to go to the dashboard, and if you're not logged in, you'll have to log in. And then go down here to where it says Office Hours. And then click on this link. That link is always updated. It changes randomly, but when it does change, I change it here. So all you have to do is click on this link and you'll always be in the right place. It's super simple, right? Now the hook-ins are open to everyone, so I hope you'll come. Do you have to turn on your camera? Not unless you want to, but I hope you do, because we do like to meet new people. And if you don't have your camera on, you're still there, but we can't really see you. But that's okay. You might want to check it out for a few lessons, see how it goes, and then once you feel comfortable, turn your camera on. Work at your own pace, just like you do in all of my online courses. So that's how you join a free hook-in. I hope you'll join me. Joining Office Hours is just as easy. You just have to remember to log in first. So come join me and people from all over the world, and let's talk about our favorite thing, rug hooking. See you soon. Okay, today isn't Saturday. It's not even Wednesday, so you can't go to Kim's hook-in. It's not Friday, and you need to be a member to go to that, and how to join is right below. But it is any other day of the week, and you can watch all the videos here on YouTube and read hundreds of articles on cindygayrughooking.com. But start out with these videos. They'll get you started, and they'll get you on the right track. Come on, I can't hold this forever. Click on one of them. Thanks.